So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can send USDT in your Trust wallet. So guys, USDT is a cryptocurrency, and in order to send USDT, all you need to do is just open your Trust wallet app and be on this home page. And once you're there, just go ahead and tap on send right over here. And once you do, you can find you can see that I have not bought much cryptocurrency over here. But if you have bought USDT and you want to send it to someone, you can find it right over here, and all you would need to do is just tap there and you can send it to whomever that you want. So guys, just go ahead and tap on send and tap on the cryptocurrency that you want, which in this case is USDT, and just send them. So guys, that's how you send USDT in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.